On this video today, I want to show you how you can transfer your money from your Trading 212 account. So if you want to transfer your money from your Trading 212 account into your online banking app, you can do that on this video. So let me show you how you can transfer money from your Trading 212 app to your bank account. So the first thing we need to do now is to log into my Trading 212 app. I know that a lot of you are using your Trading 212 from your app, from your smartphone. So let us do it from our smartphone. So the first thing I need to do now is to open my own application. So you can see my Trading 212 app on the screen here. So all I just need to do is to click on it for it to open. So you can see that my Trading 212 app have opened. So the first thing you need to do is to click on this like 3-dot icon. So once you click on this 3-dot icon, the first thing you need to do is to click on where it said manage funds. So once you click on manage funds here, you can see deposit, convert if you want to convert your currency, like convert euro into dollar or dollar into euros. So you can do that with this application, which is called Trading 212. So how to withdraw your money, you will see the icon and you will see it like a word that they have written there, withdraw, and on the screen here. So once I click on withdraw, it will be asking me to enter my password and make my withdrawal. So what I need to do now is to enter my password. And as you can see, my password have been entered and it's telling me now to choose the amount of money I want to withdraw or enter the amount of money I want to withdraw. So I can say like $100. And once I click on $100 here, I need to click on the area where it said I should choose the method I want to use to receive my money. So I will click on, let me say on this, like this, my bank account. So once I click on that, I click on confirm withdraw. You can see that the withdrawal have been made. It says withdrawal request submitted. We will process your request within 3 business days. So that is how you can withdraw money from your Trading 212 account into your bank account and use it to do whatsoever you want. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, only what I will ask from you is to just hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know what you think in the comment section. I really want to hear from you. And if you want me to make in-depth video about how you can make money with Trading 212, you need to leave me that comment in the comment section too. I really want to hear from you. And yeah, I will say ciao and I will see you on my next upcoming video. If you want to learn how you can make money with affiliate program, you can watch this video that will pop up right now. Peace and see you soon.